If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The PDF Optimizer in Acrobat lets you better control the file size and quality when saving a copy of a PDF. This is especially helpful when creating image-intensive PDFs. For example, sometimes you want a smaller PDF file size for mobile devices. Other times you may want the highest image quality possible for professionally printed PDFs, which often results in a larger file size. To access the PDF Optimizer in Acrobat, click the hamburger menu button in the title bar. Roll down to the Save as Other command, and then select the Optimized PDF command from the side menu that appears. If you have not yet saved the current PDF, a pop-up message tells you that you must save the file before optimizing it. If the PDF contains attachments, you may also see a message telling you the optimization process doesn't apply to outside files. The PDF Optimizer dialog box in Acrobat contains many options to reduce PDF file size in a list at the left side. To apply preset optimization settings for standard or mobile PDF compression, use the Settings dropdown to choose either the standard or mobile choice, respectively. Alternatively, to apply custom optimization settings, choose the Custom choice from the dropdown. To target PDF optimization for specific Acrobat versions, select a choice from the Make Compatible With dropdown. Note that the selection you make from this drop-down menu changes the available choices shown in the categories selected below. If you selected the Custom Optimization settings, then select which categories of optimizations to apply by checking or unchecking the category checkboxes at the left side of this dialog box to enable or disable each optimization category, respectively. You can click a category name to view its optimization settings in the area to the right. To modify the downsampling compression for color, grayscale, and monochrome images in the PDF, select the Images category and then change the settings within the Image Settings area at the right side of the dialog box. For each type of image, you can select the downsampling method, pixels per inch settings, compression, and quality. These are the same image downsampling settings as shown in the lesson titled The Images category in Preset Adobe PDF Settings, and you can review that lesson if needed. To only apply downsampling to images reduced in size from their original size, check the Optimize Images only if there is a reduction in size checkbox. To unembed embedded fonts in the PDF, select the Fonts category and then change the settings within the Font Unembedding Settings area at the right side of the dialog box. To not unembed any font, check the Do Not Unembed Any Font checkbox. To unembed an embedded font in the Embedded Fonts list, click it to select it. Then click the Unembed button to move it to the Fonts to Unembed list. To keep an unembedded font, select it in the Fonts to Unembed list, and then click the Retain button. To only embed subsets of all embedded fonts, check the Subset All Embedded Fonts checkbox. To apply transparency flattener settings, if optimizing with compatibility for Acrobat 4.0, select the Transparency category and then change the settings in the Preset area at the right side of the dialog box. This is not needed if optimizing with compatibility with Acrobat 5.0 or higher. To select a transparency flattening preset, choose a preset in the list shown at the top of the Presets section. The preset's settings then appear in the Preset Settings list. To discard selected objects from the PDF during optimization, select the Discard Objects category. Then in the Discard Objects Settings section to the right, check or uncheck the checkbox settings to enable or disable discarding the associated objects in the PDF, respectively. To discard selected user data from the PDF during optimization, select the Discard User Data category. Then, in the Discard User Related Information section, check or uncheck the checkbox settings shown to enable or disable discarding the associated user data within the PDF, respectively. To choose object compression options and enable or disable other compression and object discarding settings, select the Cleanup category and then change the settings in the Cleanup Settings section in the area to the right. To select the compression option to apply to the optimized PDF, use the Object Compression Options dropdown. Then check or uncheck the checkbox settings below the dropdown to enable or disable each setting, respectively. To optimize and save the PDF using the current settings, click the OK button at the bottom of the PDF Optimizer dialog box. In the Save Optimized As dialog box that then appears, enter a name for the new optimized PDF file. You may want to name the file to easily tell the difference between the optimized file and its original PDF. If you use the same file name as the original PDF, Acrobat will ask if you want to replace the existing file in a separate message box that appears. To save both the original PDF and the optimized PDF file, instead enter a new name for the optimized file. To finish, then click the Save button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.